Okay, so rotational motion. Our topic is rotational motion. Rotational motion means basically the circular motion that you learned in Unit 4. Okay, it is the same thing. There is no difference between rotational motion and circular motion. They are the same thing. We are just gonna learn wider rotational motion here. So first of all, rotation about a fixed axis. What is an axis? An axis could like when a body rotates around a circle, we call that part an axis. Okay, one body rotates around a circle, that part is called an axis. Okay, for example, the Earth's axis rotation goes between geographic north to south pole. Right? We learn about this part. So here we are going to learn about this widely. All right. So let's move on to just a second. Oops. Let's move to period and frequency. Period. First, let's start with the period. The time to complete one turn is called period. The SI unit of period is second. Okay, the time to complete a complete turn. Let's say you start point B here, and after 1 minute, if you reach B over here, that is going to be one period. Okay, one period from B to B, or from A to A, or from C to C, or from D to D. That is going to be called a period, and the SI unit of period is second. What about frequency? Frequency means the number of turns in 1 second. The number of turns in 1 second. Let's say in 1 second you just like you started from B and you pass B 10 times in 1 second. That means the frequency will be 10 over 1 second or 10 hertz. The SI unit of frequency is hertz or 1 over second. Okay, this is the SI unit of frequency. Okay, so frequency equal to 1 over period, or period equal to 1 over frequency if you want to formalize. Okay, so angular displacement, we learned about displacement already many times. So now angular displacement, actually we learned about this part too, but let's learn widely. Angular displacement means the displacement around a circular path. For example, here the displacement is 0. When you start displacing, there is going to be a theta over here, an angle. So this is going to call this part, this S is going to be called angular displacement. Okay, there is an angle over here, theta, and there is a displacement. So this is going to be called angular displacement. So how can we measure the angular displacement? There are 3 ways to measure. The first one in degrees. Remember, we learned about it. One complete turn is 360 degrees, right? We are going to call that 1 revolution and 2 pi radian. 1 revolution and 2 pi radian. Okay, so 3 ways to measure theta: degrees, revolutions, and radians. Okay, let's move on. So 1 revolution again is 360 degrees and 2 pi radian. This is easy to remember. Here 1 revolution is 360 degrees and 2 pi radian. 1 revolution means a complete turn around a circle. Okay, a complete turn around a circle, which is 360 degrees or 2 pi radian. Let's talk about the angular velocity.